All right, so if you guys are having any trouble coming up with your own ideas and aren't necessarily satisfied with the ideas we just brainstormed up on the board, there's this website that may help. So if you guys go to IMDB, which is the Internet Movie Database, this website has about every movie as well as their cast, soundtracks, editors, directors, fun facts, etc. Basically, all things about any movie. So we're going to come here to find a premise that we can take inspirations from. So if we search Toy Story, let's say, right, right here, uh, it gives us the whole layout of Toy Story, full cast and crew trivia, and videos, photos, everything. But if we look up here, we can see the log line, the problem, or what they call the premise. So like the main problem in the story is a cowboy doll is profoundly threatened and jealous when a new spaceman figure supplants him as top toy in a boy's room. That's the main problem. That's what our character has to go through. That's what the story basically is that right there. Let's look up another movie. So, Avatar, right? Same thing. We look here. Hold on. A paraplegic Marine dispatched to the moon, Pandora, on a unique mission becomes torn between following his orders and protecting the world he feels is his home. Another problem. You look at any movie, it's going to be right here. So, if you need inspiration for any story ideas, you can come here to this website. But make sure that you don't deliberately copy and paste what we have here. Don't copy and paste the problem you see. You can take inspiration from it, but please make it your own. If you ever get the chance to explore this site further, you may find out a bunch more about your favorite movies. So there's lots to explore. Very fun.